Hello guys, today we will be discussing another profitable business with few players in the industry. Tutor Money 101 is here to help you with great business ideas. In one of my videos, Why Business Fail, we talked about having a business plan and factors to consider before starting a business. The availability of raw material is one of the factors we considered. A moment please, I need to round this up. Today we shall be talking about another business idea with great potential, very sustainable and highly profitable. The raw materials are in abundance in Nigeria and in many other countries of the world. Before you start any businesses, you need to think on these. Who are the targets of my products and services? What is the population size of my targeted market? Is the business seasonal? What are the government policies on those goods and services? Is the business saturated already? If yes, what do I do differently from the others? These questions will help you make a sense of the business. Watch my video on why businesses fail to know about factors to consider before starting up a business. The link will be in the description box below. We will be looking at starting a cocoa powder production. Do you want to know why this business is so lucrative? Watch to the end to know why. You already know products like Mellow, Bournvita, Ovaltine. Yes, it's a similar business as these. Now what are the requirements for this business? The requirements for starting a cocoa powder production business are: warehouse or factory space, cocoa beans, sachet and packaging containers, food safety approval boards like NAFDAC in Nigeria and US FDA in the US. Before I continue on this, if you like our content so far, please click on the subscribe button, like this video and share to get notified whenever we post a video. There are a couple of machines required for cocoa powder production, and they are: stone removing machine, for separating stone from cocoa; metal separation machine, for removing char from the cocoa; roasting machine, for roasting the cocoa at a certain temperature; picking machine, for peeling off the first layer of the cocoa bean; crushing machine, for grinding the cocoa into powder; cocoa oil press, this extracts oil from the cocoa beans. It produces cocoa butter, which is an excellent skincare product highly in demand. Besides the cocoa beverages gotten from cocoa powder, another byproduct of cocoa powder are delicious chocolate bars and chocolate biscuits. Isn't it amazing how one raw material can open up chains of businesses one can do? Now, the estimated cost for cocoa powder production business is $50,000 to $80,000, which is about 41 million to 63 million naira. This is why it's a business for the big players and so few in the market. This business is so lucrative because most families take tea. Mummy, daddy, children, we all love tea and bread.
Oh yeah, so good.
Make necessary consultations before starting off any business for proper understanding of the business. Got any questions? Please drop them in the comments section and we'll be sure to get back to you ASAP.